My name is Temitope Oluwatosin Akinsanmi. I'm a user researcher for the Join Momentum. My experience with Joy Momentum has really been a great influence on my personality in that he has helped me understand the tech world, which I thought I couldn't get into because I didn't study anything that had to do with tech. Even though I love the tech world, even though I had worked with different teams where I was working before in Nigeria, but because I never had the educational background, I thought it was a limitation for me. And then I got to meet Victor, and I learned that there was no limitation as long as you are willing to work hard. My experience has been wonderful. Have met different people, have linked up with people personally, inside and outside, and it's really opened my eyes to the different aspects of a project. I have worked with the design team, I've worked with the media team, have worked with different kinds of people, and it's been an experience that I would really not have loved to miss. So I am happy. I have a group of people who work together like a family. It's a close knit family, and I have been able to learn from them. I've been able to use tools that I never thought. People have come online to give us training on how to even understand an aspect that had nothing to do with what I am doing right now. I've learned really a lot from the teams, from the different delivery teams. A typical day starts with the daily stand up, which is for like 15 minutes, in which everybody gives an update on what they've done yesterday, what they are doing today, and if they have any blockers, and if there's any need for someone to support them in one way or the other. Then you go into your own personal assigned task, or if you have any meetings where you have to meet to discuss what you have to do. There's meetings, but sometimes the meetings are no more than 30 minutes or 1 hour. And then you get to do your own personal deliverables, and you get to work with different teams. You can have a meeting with the design team, it could be with the media team, and based on the task that has been assigned to you, your day will go based on that task every day. What advice would I give? I would tell you that you're in a very good place. You're with a very good team, a family that would train you, that would give you tasks that would challenge you, that would put you in a place where you would learn every day. It's not just about the papers, it's about the training, the experience you get, the people you meet, the things you're exposed to, the level of your understanding of these tech words that looked so difficult before you got on the team. You get to learn, you get to meet different people from different aspects of the world. Yes, people in Africa, different people in Europe. You get to make friends, and then of course you get to meet outside, and you also get to learn from everybody's personal life. So it's a great place. It's not a place, forget what it costs, but everything in life will cost you something. But it's really an experience you don't want to miss. I wish you all the best. Welcome to the Joy Momentum team. Thank you.